one of the largest integrated township which we are building up in 600 acres of land near the international airport in Srisailam Main Road. Discovery City has been conceived with a lot of thought process going on for the project, which is based on very important 4 philosophy of live, achieve, thrive and unwind. This is a city which will have everything within that 600 acres. Name terms of living, we have multiple living options, starting with Gardenia Grove Villas, which is a 317 east and west facing villas of 200, 265 and 300 square yards, built up of around 2000 SFT to 2500 SFT, costing averagely around 56 lakhs to 98 lakhs, and as the progress of construction happens, the prices will go up. Right now the market is very vibrant, and there are a lot of customers who are coming and visiting it. The model villa and the mock-up villa are almost ready. The approvals are in place, so you can just visit the project, have a look at the construction progress, and take your dream home. Discovery City also will consist of various apartments of multiple sizes, starting from 350 SFT, which is the most affordable range, to almost 1750 SFT, priced between say 5 lakhs to somewhere around 35 lakhs. That is the range you have. Apart from that, Discovery City will also house the very high-end villa segment, consisting of half acre to 1 acre villas, which will be somewhere around 3.5 crores plus. Overall, you will have mixed use residential possibility in Discovery City. We have already started the Art of Living school in Discovery City, and you can come and have a look at the young small children coming to the school and enjoying the atmosphere there. The beauty of this entire project is we have around 3000 acres of reserve forest just backside of the project. Therefore, the next big project what you want to see will be only after 8 to 9 kilometers back of this particular project. In fact, we have tied up with a very big giant for a theme park which is coming up in 55 acres. At the same time, there are a lot of corporate companies which are in discussion with us for setting up their corporate offices. Overall, Discovery City is the place for future, because it is situated very near to the international airport and in the Erythropolis zone. Apart from that, you have the hardware park, the nanotechno park, the Tata Avionics centers. So the SEZ operations are already going on in a full-fledged way, which will give a good amount of employment opportunity, and therefore for living you will be depending on Discovery City to come and stay up there. Apart from this, Ramki also have a lot of other projects, like the recently launched project. What we have is the Ramki Cosmos. This is in Nalagandla. It's in 4.75 acres. Our first phase is launched. The total project is around 13.5 acres. It's a gated community with all modern amenities, ground plus 14 floors, and 2 and 3 BHK, starting from 1075 SFT to around 1635 SFT. And we have a good amount of booking happening there because of the IT crowd, which is all situated nearby the financial district. Good amount of orders are there. Apart from that, we are also in Warangal. We are about to launch in Vizag. We also have 2 more new projects coming up, one in Narsingi called Ramki One Wave, and Ramki Tranquillas is again a villa project in Kismatpur. Overall, the market is, as I told you, after the bifurcation is more clear, and we are going to have a big bash of projects coming up, which you will probably see in this exhibition also. And this is the right time for all the people to invest and make the benefit of the prices which is prevalent today. Hyderabad is the most economist price in the entire country. So I will invite everybody to come and invest here. Have a long-term vision for Hyderabad, because the infrastructure is so excellent that you will never get this kind of infrastructure facility anywhere else in the country. So I have been traveling across the country in most of the places, and I have seen nothing to beat Hyderabad's infrastructure, the climate, the people, the metro rail, all that is there. All you need to do is have your property invested, right? My best wishes to everybody.